Welcome back to Car Trends. Today we are diving into the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, raw power, aggressive styling, and a heart that beats with pure adrenaline. Is this the ultimate American muscle car? Let's find out. The Shelby GT500 is the most powerful production Mustang ever, packing a supercharged 5.2L V8 under the hood. It delivers a mind-blowing 760 horsepower and 625 lb-ft of torque, making it a beast on the track and the streets. It comes with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that shifts in just milliseconds for lightning-fast acceleration. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.3 seconds, this Mustang is built for pure speed. The GT500 looks mean, and that's exactly what you want in a muscle car. Up front, you get the massive Cobra badge, a bold grille, and functional hood vents to keep that V8 cool. The aerodynamics are dialed in with a carbon fiber wing and a deep front splitter, designed for high-speed stability. You can get it in eye-catching colors like grabber blue, twister orange, and race red, because a car like this deserves to be noticed. The optional carbon fiber track pack gives you 20-inch carbon fiber wheels, making it look even more aggressive. Inside, the GT500 balances performance with premium touches. You get Recaro racing seats that hold you tight during aggressive driving. The 12-inch digital instrument cluster gives you real-time performance data. The infotainment system features SONC3 with an 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. You also get an optional Bang & Olufsen sound system, because even muscle car lovers enjoy a good soundtrack. Let's be honest, the GT500 is built for performance, not luxury. The suspension is stiff but adaptive, meaning it can adjust to different driving conditions. Road noise? Yeah, it's there, but who cares when you have a supercharged V8 screaming under the hood? This is where the GT500 dominates. With 760 horsepower, this thing launches like a rocket. The Tremec 7-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts so fast, it's almost telepathic. The MagneRide suspension keeps the car planted, making it one of the best-handling Mustangs ever. The massive Brembo brakes bring all that power to a quick stop, giving you confidence at high speeds. The Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 isn't just a car, it's an experience. It's got mind-blowing power, aggressive looks, and track-ready performance. If you want the king of modern muscle cars, this is it. But what do you think? Would you take the GT500 over a Camaro ZL1 or a Dodge Hellcat? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Trends for more epic car reviews. See you in the next one.